At Computex in Taipei, Microsoft has now extended the deadline for Windows XP on low-cost desktops. They now join low-cost laptops like the Asus ePC, which got the XP extension in April. Microsoft has been under pressure from computer makers to provide a version of its operating system for an emerging class of very low-cost computers, systems for which Vista is widely seen as too resource-hungry. For the past few months, IDG's InfoWorld has been pushing a Save XP petition that has over 200,000 electronic signatures to date.
We see it as another sort of incremental step in the right direction. In April, Microsoft extended its deadline for selling Windows XP licenses for low-cost laptops. And this is a similar sort of a move, which means that they will continue selling Windows XP licenses with these machines, these desktop machines now, until June 30th, 2010. So it is definitely a step in the right direction, but I wouldn't declare victory yet on our part. I would like to mention that Dell, HP, and Lenovo are already selling XP as a downgrade license to Vista and Vista Ultimate. And that lets PC makers provide XP under the Vista license, which Microsoft calls a downgrade license. And in this case, the user is buying a Vista license that can apply to XP. So that's another sort of incremental victory as well.
It's unclear what limitations Microsoft may put on PC makers to prevent them from installing Windows XP on more capable machines. InfoWorld's petition is available at savexp.com. For the IDG News Service, I'm Nick Barber in Boston, with additional reporting by James Nicolai and Martin Williams in Taipei.